This video will show you how to download and install Audacity for Windows 11. So open up a web browser and type in Audacity in your search engine. You need to go to www.audacityteam.org, so click on their official website. You can then go ahead and click Download Audacity. It will then add the installation wizard to your downloads folder. You can open it from your web browser or open up your file explorer, and also you can open it from here. Either way, you need to run this installer. Once you open up the installer, it will look something like this. It's a very quick and easy install. It should automatically install, and then it will open up Muse Hub. From here, you need to go ahead and click on Audacity and then install. We can then click Get Audacity Without Tutorial. It should then start the download. Exit out of any pop-ups on Muse Hub. And now we should have installed it. We can go ahead and search for it. Here it is, we'll open it. Once you open it for the first time, accept and continue. And then, there we go, we can now record audio with Audacity.